I saw Shannon here, but I was logging in, so we'll see if she logs back in. Thank you, Melissa, for. I see Ellie here. Okay. You can't hear me? Okay. Well, that's gonna be a great day if you can't hear me. Oh, good now? Okay. Can you guys hear me? Okay. All right. I was like, well, that's the way to start the day. Okay. Irina is here. So the news was good news, and this is what I was worried about yesterday with being in the short, because I don't want to say I saw this, but you can't hear Melissa? Irina, can you hear? Irina can hear. Okay. What about Melissa? No? I see Shannon here. Shannon, good morning, Shannon. I see you muted. How are you? All right, Shannon is shy. Good morning, everyone. So, except Melissa, is everybody else can hear me? Okay, Melissa gonna try to log back in. Okay. All right. So there, you can hear now. Okay. EMI is here. All right. Good morning. All right. So we had the news, and now the top of the hour is coming, which is usually after the news. It kind of melts down a little bit. Retraces back, but it's a little bit tricky because it already did the big retracement. So let's see, what are the levels for today that we want to mark on the chart? Okay, there we go. So I want to see if it retraces back to the 200, which is 864. We have some levels, yeah, the 888. But because it was a strong report, we might continue going. Let's see really quick 4 hours. Let's see what the 4 hours are doing. Yeah, see, you can't short this. Happy day, Melissa. Melissa ready with the popular. Thank you. I appreciate it. I did see it. Okay, so the big resistance is 31 to 9 1 to 7, and then the 300, which is okay. Let's see where we at on the book map. So the 935 matches the 950. Can you guys see that? Good morning, Shannon. Can you hear me? The Shannon. Let me tag her. Let's see. All right, let's check what is the point of control on 5 minutes. Yeah. Okay, so we don't have confluences, so the point of control in 5 minutes is the 664, but we had such a good report and we have so many levels to reach there, so it might be continuation day today. Okay, top of the hour, let's see. Anybody traded news today? Nope. So I put a trade yesterday on the TQQQ. The reason why I'm sharing this is because once you guys get your payouts and then you trade your own personal account, you can like swing trade it to the news. So this is just obviously for teaching purposes. So around $74 if anybody wants to look at their chart at full hours at TQQQ. And then like, so before the news, if you do your analysis, right? So it doesn't move, it doesn't pay as good as futures, but you can get a couple $100. Good morning, Tom Tom. Look at that. Has Luck is here. Lucas, right? He's here. You traded news or no? Good morning, all. Yes. Has Luck is typing. Okay. Anybody wants me to go over the picks of the stock picks so everybody's good? Yeah, what? Oh yeah, I need to teach you how to trade that. What do you mean they roasted? You sent me a screenshot. No, it's actually really, really good. I'll teach you. So you can private message me, like send me a screenshot. I know your trade is still there, so send me a screenshot. And I'm gonna tailor it a little bit, and you'll be looking forward to CPI every time. It's a really good way to save accounts. It's pretty awesome. Good. Good job, Tom. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. So I'll teach you the trick. There's a trick. It's like you'll be looking forward to CPI. Like, yeah. Did you hear me, Lucas? Have you heard me about it? Okay. Oh, okay. Perfect. Yeah, because I know you guys do a lot of things. You guys have me in the background a lot of times, so I want to make sure you're here. And then Ellie wants to know the trick too. Okay, okay. So before, okay, watch. So we have like right before here, for 3 minutes before the CPI, you go in with the trend, you trail it, trade one, trade number two, you wait, you put a set limit, and something will grab here and you will save your account. My favorite one is to wait for the first candle, right? Because they get your stop loss out. It's gonna do opposite. Okay, it's gonna do totally opposite. So it prints. That's why like 1 minute or 30 seconds, and then you can, that's fine. You can do it 1 minute if you're not comfortable in 30 seconds. Look, how is that not like, how is that not a beautiful reversal in the second minute? Yeah. Can you see that? So the timing of it works like in this case was 1 minute, sometimes it's 5 minutes, but there's always a reversal on the news. So there you go. So you go in here, you wait the first minute, the second is scary, the third one is not. See, they're always opposite. Okay, you guys see that? Before the news, you go in with the trend. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. So this one, Raime Labas Rytas, that's a little bit more, you need more coconuts for that one. The actual news is you save account. You set you take profits. In here with big size and small move. The third one is you wait for this and then you go in. Opposite of what the news did. Good morning, the Queen. So yeah. Raime, it's Lithuanian too. We have a lot of Lithuanians actually. That's really awesome though. Yeah, Jess is here. Good morning, Jess. I heard that you want an account on Melissa's giveaway. I'm gonna do a quick video. My happy place is here. So today I have the interview with the barber trader. I don't know if you guys know the barber trader. So not nervous at all. I don't know why. I think she's really cool. Yeah. Congratulations, Jess. Yeah, I'm really happy for you. Good morning with Lexi. We have another Lithuanian in here. Raime. Yeah, you've been so lucky lately. Good. You are very nice, very kind, and you're very, very, very giving. So I love when people that are givers receive. Yeah, so the barber trader, she's really edgy. Yeah, it's very edgy, very edgy, very strong woman, kind, sweet, and her styles are very, I don't know, strong. And then she said her husband picks out her outfits, but she has a great body. And yeah. But she's actually very, very kind. So I'm kind of excited about the interview today. Okay. So thank you, Woodlex. I wanted to say, he says, we are prepping to raise hands and say thank you as SMCI in 30. Yes. The levels we're hitting, actually. I don't know if anybody in my group are watching the SMCI, but the levels we're hitting on point. The ones we posted. Yeah, SMCI. It did good. It actually stopped exactly the level that we posted it. So No pre-market trade right now because the reversal already happened, right? In the level. We're just sitting with the market. We want to see what the 200 is, what is today open is. Or did you take a trade or no? It will squeeze more, I think, on SMCI. Yeah, so we have 3 levels, right? So 1, 2, 3. And then we have 1, 2, 3 on the bottom. I can pull it up, I guess. Let's see. Yeah, I don't want to get distracted, but yeah. So the SMCI, we post 3 levels. We trail after that when it hits. So let's see. R is typing. So yesterday when you went short, that's why I was worried about you a little bit in the short because of the news. But you'll get out of it. We've been there before, right? Yeah, we've been there before. I think there's going to be a little bit of squeeze. I see the 950. We'll see what happens. Yeah. I know Illy was sharing her oil trades with you. She's really good in it, and she does the weekly thing too. She marks the levels. So that's a good one to look into. I'm so sorry, TikTok people. It's 58 of you. I'm sorry I didn't pay attention. Good morning and welcome, everyone. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm just sitting with the market to see if I could catch the trade. The volume is very low because it's right after the news. I see some levels that's going to reach, but the volume is too low for me to put in my money on it. And we have 15, 16, 17, 18 minutes till the open. And thank you everyone for follow. Really appreciate it. What Lex is in SMCI. We talked about it yesterday. So send me your totals. I like to see your totals. Yep, we're squeezing more. Okay. Let's see. Thank you, Lex. Yeah, I want to see your I'll later, like I can send you the charts later too. Are you gonna break the 300 today? What do you guys think? Yeah, there's a big order, 950. 950. Yep. Okay, look at that. Do you guys see that? And my winning team, do you see that? While my mouse is pointing? But I said that 300 before even pulling it up, right? Yes. But so this is what the problem with today is. Okay, so we see the big order 300, we see the big order 950 institutional numbers, but do you see the VWAP? Why it's hard to take it long? Can you see that? Oh, with Lex doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that it's only 5 contracts. Hey, but that issue. I'm really excited. So send me your totals. Yeah. Nope. This right here is the VWAP. And I know you might already watched the lesson about the VWAP. So okay, so who is gonna win, right? So the VWAP is gonna retrace. It will retrace, but when? If it doesn't retrace, the VWAP is gonna be lifting, and we have this big order right here, 950. It's gonna go eat it probably before the open. We have enough time to eat the 950, but the biggest order is a 30,000. And I remember when you were talking about the 30,000 like what, a week ago. You can see the level 2. Yeah. See, the volume is not here. All the money has been already made. And now I think what they do, they're trailing the stop, but they're gonna try to push it to the 300. Yep, is the 950 eaten yet? Not yet. I think it's gonna happen before the market open. Let's see it. Let's see it. It's gonna leave my screen. D Queen, did you see the chart for today? So I have it right here for you. Yeah. D Queen and Melissa, I think, would be interested into that. I don't want to say it out loud because it's only for you guys. It's right over here. Oh, I can type it actually. I can type it for you right here. Okay. No, but we do the daily one. Well, with Lex, we do the daily one. So there are people that do swing trading and we watch them too. I do the analysis for them, and people, not everybody is just futures. So we post the charts and we watch them in the little screen too for them. So even though they do join for the futures stream, they also watch some of the stocks for the swing trades. Oh, ENBX. Oops, that has earnings today. Let me see that. Yeah, of course. No, of course. I'm just saying, like, I have it over here on my screen for you too, so be watching. ENBX. Oh, you see, I knew, for whatever reason, I knew it was gonna be the penny stock. Like, I just knew it. So it's a beautiful chart. I don't have coconuts for penny stocks. I just don't. Okay, 950. Okay, 950 before the open. The indicator's name, it is all linked to the information to the little circle on my head. Should be linked all right there. Certain things I cannot say because TikTok doesn't like it. So you can find that right there. Or if you join our group, we have coded very similar one. We have a very smart person in our group that coded for us a very similar one right here. You're welcome. No problem. So mine is the paid one. I think it's pretty pricey. And then someone in the group coded for us a very similar copy. So you can claim the indicator once you join the group. Okay, so 950 is eaten. All right. And now we pull in back Y, right? Okay. All right. Self-explanatory. Okay. Art, do you remember you posted the iron we talked about it? Can you check if you reached your goals already? You're cute, thank you. Appreciate it. Yeah, you just kind of set it and forget it kind of thing too. Say the name iron. Okay, let me type it. Because I looked it up. You posted the analysis about it. So I see it pumping right here. All right, we're gonna squeeze today. Nope, no, you can't do that. See, this is the thing. You just set it and forget it. You set it to buy at the levels we posted, and then you watch what happens. Because we only doing the paper trading, right? That's the whole point. We're not babysitting anybody. Okay. Nope. Because don't trade and drive, because like with texting you can even like voice text, but with trading you really need to concentrate. Yeah. So D Queen and Melissa and probably Illy, right? Look up at 4 hours TQQQ from yesterday at level 74. No, 70. Hold on. 73.50. All right. So I will write it down. Whoever else is interested. 4 hours. Okay. What did I say? 73.66. Okay. Go to the stock chat. It's right there for you. Or you put it in the stock chat and you can search, and then if I search, your chart comes up. Yeah, you don't have to have it saved. I just want you to check if it reached the levels you talked about it. Don't tell me he's not gonna reach that. Nah, it's not gonna go to the 30,000 before the open. There's just no way. All right, so for whoever is interested into learning a long-term trading on the, so once you transfer to TQQQ versus NQ, I posted the level 4 hours from yesterday. One more Lithuanian, Thomas. Hello. Yeah, she can do whatever she wants. Once she goes, she goes. Yeah, Tata. Tata, yeah, I am Tata. Oh my god, that's awesome. That's a big squeeze. Ką čia reiškia pagal tradinant? And the question mark, what that means. Sorry. Aš daug kaip aš lietuvaitė, bet jų tų terminologija su visais tais tradingais nelabai supranta. Fusca, you need to help me defend me with those Lithuanian people. Thank you. Yeah, Thomas, we have my Asia guy, that's Lithuanian Asia guy, coming to answer you all that. Yeah, I don't speak Slovenian. The expectations on TikTok is so high. I can't believe it. She's gonna go to. There's just no way she's gonna reach 30,000 before the open. See what Lex help me. Help me. You never know if it's an insult or is it a compliment when they call you like an auntie is on TV. So is it an insult or is it a compliment? Trying to figure that out. Don't have time. Trading is hard. There you go. Thomas, there goes your big Vitas. Ask him. I need to concentrate. Ar turi savo strategiją? Yeah, hopefully, Melissa. The strategy is reversal. So the reason I didn't get into this, because it's not reversal, it's continuation. I took a scalp from here to here, and now because there's no confluences, right? Reversal might be coming because we have the 200. We have 6 minutes to the open, and we have a VWAP on book map See how far it is? 875. So, yep. But because the news is so strong and we have a lot of orders at 30,000, it's really hard to take a reversal right now. Kokutixlo live so we can get some thank you Vitas for the gift, Melissa for the gift, so we can get more clients into our winning family, and the winning team gets access to a lot of things that you guys don't see it everything here, and I come here to advertise myself and hopefully meet people, and then we go trading, we go dark, we go trade with the team. That's the whole goal. Yep. The win rate. The win rate. I did a competition on the win rate. I know I won that competition. Yeah, I'm not like gonna sell myself, right? So if you like me, like me, don't you don't. Either way, it's fine. I make money either way. So yeah, that right here is gonna be a Lithuanian community, exactly. Yeah. So thank you. Haslak has sent, so the people that are with me, I've proven enough, and that way I don't have pressure to prove anybody to anything. I just trade. And we keep everything positive and kind. And if that's not the case, then you guys can finish the sentence. Thank you, Melissa. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm in a good position in life. Don't have to answer to anyone. I only want to have friends, and I want everybody to make money, and we help each other out. That's how it works. All right, we have 30 seconds for TikTok people. Any more questions, let me know. I have money to trade, just zero knowledge. Can wrap my head around it for some reason. I have a lot of free, I cannot say where, a lot of free education there too. And there's just, you have to put in 2, 3, 4 years in it. So only resilience survive. All right. So I'll see you TikTok people tomorrow. I really appreciate it for every single one liking and following. And I really appreciate that. I'll see you guys tomorrow.